Let's have a look at a 2-card combination. As I've been reading the cards, I've been putting them one side so there won't be a duplicate of a card that I've already read. I want to showcase all the different cards and potential meanings. So this is the Judgment card, calling you towards your calling, waking up from the slumber of your current life and what you are here called to do. Together with the Hermit, this is a card of going inward, a card of solitude, a card of really seeing what is your purpose, where are you going, not speaking to other people and asking their opinions, but really going inward and seeing what resonates with you. So this card combination for me is beautiful card combination of following your calling, following what you are meant to do, going inward, really thinking about it and seeing if this resonates with you and if you want to follow the path that you feel is here for you. And like I said, not asking everybody's opinion, but really trusting yourself and going inward and finding the answers within.